All right, it took me about 25 minutes of cussing, swearing. I even went and kicked the neighbor's dog to get the tire on the rim. Now I'm going to set the bead, and that's it. So that actually works. A little more to go yet. Perfect. I put about 40 pounds of air in, but it's set. So then I'll take the Schrader valve out, dump a bottle of Ride On right in there, balances it out. This will be nice. Well, that's it. I don't know if it's worth doing it yourself. It took me a half hour to do a tire, but by the time I rode into the Harley shop, dropped it off, waited 3 days, I guess it is worth it. And I think they charge like $100 with all the to mount it. So, but it is frustrating and it does suck.